And then we do need the reflector. We gotta find a sliver of light. It was so bright earlier. That's why I was happy. I was like, okay, cool. We got brightness. And that's hitting you. Yep. Perfect. All right, so now we are gonna go into our first look. Gonna get some relaxed poses. I'm shooting at 1/160, 2.8, and a 500 ISO. Now typically, I wouldn't have my ISO this low, but because of where we are, and it being a bit, what's the word I'm looking for? Overcast, or not overcast, there's just clouds in front of the sun. I gotta make up for the fact that we don't have that. So we're switching up. So this is one of those shoots that's gonna be super quick, but we're gonna follow the lead of the model a little bit. She already has an idea of what happening doing fitness. If you guys heard any noise behind us, that is. Let me get you to take a step this way. There you go. So I'm moving her over so that we don't have a tree sticking out her head. I'm not a fan of that. And I'm using a reflector to bounce light back into her eyes. Give me a cross. But both hands on the, both hands on the rail. You know, just the way you do both. Have it like that and then pull them close. Pull them close to you. There you go, beautiful. I'm actually really happy with that. Let's try a running shot. You don't have to run far. So this shot, yeah. So start, I gotta figure out where I want you to stop at. Oh, somebody's coming by. So basically you're gonna do like 3 or 4 steps. So just bam, bam, bam. Okay, we'll do. We're about to find out right now. We're about to find out right now. So it still goes straight ahead, but I'm gonna shoot from this side because I don't wanna have that tree sticking out your head. All right, let me change my drive mode to high speed continuous. Put my shutter speed at 1/500. My ISO, gonna raise my ISO up to 1000. I'm already at f2.8. All right, you ready? Look straight. All right, go ahead. Again. So I need to go lower without hurting my knee. Okay, pray for me, y'all. I'm in rehab to fix my knee. I don't know if I should be doing this or not. No, I got it. It works, come on. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. So we're gonna make sure I switch the screen so nobody's seeing my butt right now. Are you ready? All right, go ahead. So I'm lining her up. One more time. So she's doing great. So I'm having her look straight ahead. I'm at a really, really low angle. Go ahead and run and go. And we're tracking her. All right, perfect. Now let's do one right here where you're kind of faking it. So you just, yeah, right here. So we can get the reflector shooting right on you. Come up, come up. Yeah, the sun moved. I see it on your face a little bit. It's right there. Yeah, so just need to hold it right here. I'm probably gonna be blocking it. Now that I'm thinking about that. I'm blocking her whole everything, aren't I? What about now? That's better. All right, so we're gonna drop the shutter speed. Yeah, go ahead. Look straight ahead. Smile with it, smile with it. Like we're trying to sell for aloe. Wow.
I don't know why I keep going without me.
Whatever it takes to get your rhythm, that's all it, whatever it takes. All right, relax for a second. Yeah, that looks realistic. Okay, you have headphones. Let's do the headphone shot. So this is gonna be like, these are gonna be headshots. So I'm gonna shoot one tight and then one shot. Yeah, one shot will be a tight shot, like a headshot, and the second one will be full body. I love this lens. The compression you get out of this lens is amazing.
No, I was looking at it, I was like,
I know. That's why I said to use the 100. All right, so for this one, go ahead and lean back. Lean back. So I'm at a 1/400, so we're gonna drop it because she's not running anymore. Make sure your eyes are giving me a lot of energy. Perfect. Yep, look back, yep, looking that direction. Let's do this, switch sides, come on this side. And let's get her face right into that spot of sun. You should be able to see it when you can see the sun. Go this way a little bit. There you go. Beautiful. Let me drop my ISO to 640. That was a good decision by me. Not toot my own horn, but I could be a trumpet player. That's beautiful. That's what we're looking for. I knew something was off. Beautiful. Let's get a tighter shot. Adjust her head. Look straight, yep, look straight ahead. I'm gonna shoot from this side so I can see the Beats logo. Beautiful. Look towards like her shoulder right here. Nope, took it to the top of her head. There you go. A little bit of smirk right there, a little bit of a smirk. Big old Chinese, I said Chinese, I meant to say target smile. Perfect. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, let me get a full body with that same thing. No, stay in that light. Put your hands on the headphones, Give her my phone to make it seem like she's changing the something of something. Don't lose your money or your ID. There you go.
Like changing music?
Yeah, yep, perfect. And then we're gonna get a tighter version of that. But it's a song you like, so yeah, you're looking mad right now. We need to have a little bit of beautiful. And then from the side, there you go. I think that's the shot right there. That side shot. All right, we're good. Yep. All right. So we're done. It's that quick. Moving on to look 2. If you guys have comments, questions, let me know in the comment section. So we're in the second look. What we're doing right now is we're shooting with natural light. The sun is about to go down in 30 minutes and the park's gonna close soon. So I'm at f3.2, 1/250 for my shutter speed, and my ISO is at 250. I brought it down so we can make sure we're not losing any detail in her skin. And she is posing, so we have to fight with this underbrow thing because the wind is going under it and grabbing it. There you go, perfect. See, this is what happens when you work with a model who thinks through the look. Continue moving on the wall. You can move, like, you can literally just move. I'm gonna stay with you, yep. Yeah, I like that a lot. So I'm shooting to where you see a little bit of green behind her, but I'm gonna get rid of all of that because I really just want you to see the location, her, and then the sky. I don't want any greenery in my shot at all. Because what's happening, see how it's popping up right here? I don't want to see that. But also, we don't want to see your whole everything either. That's not the shot we're going for. So, yeah, not do the pose. All right, I'll just change my angle. How about that? Beautiful. Oh shit. Recording? All right. All right, let me get you to come up here. Girl, she got up so quick. Beautiful. I just got to get rid of all of that stuff. Get rid of that flag. Let me get you just to stand straight up and down. Straight up? No, just straight. Bow. And then let your shoulders be all the movements that we get from there. You can turn that knee in a little bit.
I can?
Yeah, yeah, turn the knee in a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Ow, you're not supposed to agree with that. I want to feel special.
You are special.
No, see, no, I don't like how you said that. You trying to call me special. You see what I'm saying? I don't like it. Yeah, no, more of the to the side. Yes, there we go. And then that should be it. Look off that way for me.
I like this dress. Right, this dress is giving me, I don't know.
Make sure you're showing a little bit of teeth, not smiling, but just that paw that when you're looking out, like you taking a, yeah, there you go, big exhale. I just gotta get rid of all these trees and posts. So I'm not gonna wanna see any trees. Don't wanna see no trees. And then we're gonna go. Same thing still turning this way. Turn your head to me though. No, I'm up your nose. All right. All right, come down and then we'll get this last shot. Yeah. Much better. Now we got some detail in the hair. So look, your eyes gotta sell this, okay? So that means you gotta have some real intensity, some good pop. This is, there we go, really. Like you're staring through the lens. Good. Beautiful. Turn. Move that. It's one right here. Yeah, there we go. Turn your head this way. Eyes on me though, eyes on me. There we go. Beautiful. Give me a little bit of a smirk. There we go. Chin up, and looking down. There we go. That's forcing your, yeah. I gotta force your eyes to do what I'm, eyes here. There we go. Beautiful.
There you go. This light in your eyes is great. Sorry, I didn't mean to make you smile.
No, I like when she smiles. She don't like to smile. Like, how you have a pretty smile like that? It's like, no, no one gets it but my family. There we go.
Good.
Good shifting. Beautiful. All right, stand up for me, stand up. Let me try to get, he was trying to take me. I'm gonna be mad at myself about this one. Cause I'm trying to give myself enough room to be able to like make it a 4x5. Yeah, there it is. I'm at the perfect length. Love the pose.
I ain't gonna lie, I do wish Isaiah was here.
You wish you was what?
Isaiah was here. Cause I don't know what the camera look like now that she adjusted.
She's still in there. She's still in there. All right. Yep, we're done.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay.
All right. All right, one more time. All right, folks. So we are done. We're done. How do we do, Yenifer?
We did great.
We did great. I believe in us. I know that we got some dope shots. Obviously, you guys will see them. But yeah, we're done. It was a quick shoot. I think we've been here for like an hour and some change. But most of that was production stuff. It wasn't even the shooting part. The shooting part was maybe 30 minutes or so. But yeah, but we are done. If you have comments, questions, again, put them in the comment section. Let me know how you guys feel and what your thoughts are. Also, I know we're creating for our friends, our family, our network, and everybody else. Make sure you're making time to create for yourself. All right. Peace. Oh, we're good.